In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text rotation in Google Sheets. This handy feature can make your spreadsheets look cleaner and help emphasize key data, ensuring your information presentation is both more readable and visually appealing. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, you need to highlight the specific cells where you want to apply text rotation. This can be done by clicking and dragging your cursor over the set of cells you're focusing on. Highlighting is a critical first step as it directs Google Sheets to make changes only to your selected area, keeping the rest of your spreadsheet intact. Once your cells are highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Format. The Format menu is a great resource for customizing your spreadsheet, containing options for adjusting your text and cell appearance beyond just rotation. By selecting Format, you're opening up a toolbox designed to enhance the visual and functional aspects of your Google Sheets. With the Format dropdown open, your next move is to look for and click on Rotation. This option will lead you into a submenu specifically for adjusting your text orientation. It's quite straightforward, but worth noting is that exploring these settings can offer a glimpse into how versatile your document's formatting can be. Now, it's time to choose your desired text rotation style. Google Sheets provides several options, like tilting your text upwards or downwards, vertically stacking it, or even rotating it by a custom number of degrees, allowing you to tailor the appearance to best fit the needs of your project. Consider the readability and aesthetic of your sheet. Choosing the right style depends heavily on the data's context and how it's meant to be perceived by viewers. As a tip, experimenting with different rotation angles could lead you to a presentation style that enhances comprehension or space usage, particularly in cells with limited width or extensive headers. You'll find that navigation through these settings is smooth, with Google Sheets automatically applying your last selection and instantly showing how it looks on your highlighted cells. This real-time feedback loop allows you to swiftly make adjustments and achieve the optimal display format. In conclusion, mastering the art of text rotation in Google Sheets is a simple yet powerful way to elevate your data visualization. By following these steps, you can confidently adjust presentation styles, ensuring your spreadsheets remain organized and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet designing!